Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
So, hi guys! For today's video is pag-uusapan natin itong si photo study. Ikaw ba ay magaling sa math, algebra, trigonometry? So, ito ay para sa'yo. So, make up to $1,000 plus a month as a photo study expert. Apply for a photo study expert job and start earning money today. So, you can click apply now and dito, as you can see, pwede mo siyang i-connect sa iyong um, Facebook account. And so dito magso-solve ka ng math. So how to apply? Let's click this. So first step is connect with Facebook. So kailangan nila dito is Facebook. And then step 2, 3 short video, learn everything you need to become a successful photo expert. Then step 3, policy and subject test. Test your skills in any of our math or science subject. So hindi lang pala siya math, meron din palang science. Then start earning. Start helping students and earn real money for each explanation you provide. So you can click apply now and get paid for each 10-minute session you complete. There is no limit to how much you can earn. Our reliable payment process pays out twice a month to give you quick access to your earnings. So why photo study? So FAQ. So why is photo study? Meron na siya lahat dito. All the questions they provide already. So if you like to apply, then you can go to their website now and click apply. So they have support uh, if you have questions, so you can email them to support at photostudy.co. And so voluntary marketplace technology are proprietary routing technology can match a student with a photo study expert in a second for a 10-minute chat session around a single homework problem. So this is all chat based, chat job, so expert community and continuing education. Join an ever-growing interactive community of the world's best online photo study expert. Learn how you can advance in the photo study expert ladder and further your professional development. Quick application process. Unlike most other online tutoring job sites that can take weeks to approve your application, most of our tutors starting working in about an hour. So dedicated team support expert, we have a dedicated team of Got It employees focused on continually improving the photo study expert experience by supporting our community of an online tutors developing new ways to for tutor to earn money. So that's it for today. I hope that you learn, and I hope na maka-apply ka ng trabaho dito if you're good in science or good in math. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now, and then please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel for more video like this. So, nataka ko na to from my previous video, but in-upload ko na naman siya to para marami pang makaalam na meron palang online tutoring na pwede ka lang mag-chat. So, kung ikaw ay magaling sa science and math, this is for you. So, apply now and start earning from the comfort of your home. So, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.